Viewers, as you know, Tigray Defense Force is in full control of Dessie and Kombolcha. After Dessie, Tigray Defense Force took control of Kombolcha without any resistance. Whether it's part of Ethiopian National Defense Force strategy or they left the city of Kombolcha to avoid life and financial losses because hundreds of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers were captured by Tigray Defense Force at Dessie front, where Ethiopian National Defense Force, Amhara Special Forces, and Fano militia members resisted. Viewers, Tigrayan-backed news sources are claiming that Tigray Defense Force has started advancing towards Addis Ababa after taking control of Dessie and Kombolcha. As you know, main target of Tigray Defense Force is to capture Addis Ababa, and Dessie is the gateway. Viewers, the road which connects Kombolcha to Addis Ababa is under full curfew. Ethiopian government imposed curfew and closed the road. Whereas both Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army can move towards Addis Ababa jointly because Kemis is already under the control of Oromo Liberation Army. All the roads which leads to Addis Ababa are closed by Ethiopian government. Pictures of long lines of traffic jam can be seen. Whereas Ethiopian government is afraid of now because if Tigray defense alone can get control of big cities like Dessie and Kombolcha, then Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army jointly can move towards Addis Ababa. Whereas Ethiopia's Prime Minister has called on his supporters to redouble their efforts in the country's war, as Tigray forces claim to have seized key cities that control a major road heading towards the capital. A move on the capital Addis Ababa would signal a new phase in the war that has killed thousands of people since fighting broke. Whereas Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed said federal troops are fighting on 4 fronts against the Tigrayan forces, and that we should know that our enemy's main strength is our weakness and unpreparedness. Whereas the Tigray forces have told the Associated Press they are poised to physically link up with another armed group, the Oromo Liberation Army, after they struck an alliance earlier this year. The Tigray forces now claim to control the key cities of Dessie and Kombolcha, though the federal government disputes this claim. Yesterday, the government of the Amhara region ordered almost all government institutions to stop their regular activities and join the war effort. It also banned most activities in cities and towns after 8 p.m. Viewers, the Tigray forces say they are pressuring Ethiopia's government to lift a months-long blockade on their region of around 6 million people. Viewers, for more latest reports, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.